Some people are going to tell you take massive actions, like be all in into the game and just sweat it out, jaan laga do, give your everything to it. And on the other hand, some people will tell you that let it come to you, be in a flow state, take relaxed actions, go easy, be happy go lucky, and all of these things. अब इन दोनों चीज के बीच में what you need to choose, we are going to talk about that today in this video. Before we go ahead, I want to request you with joint hands, please subscribe to my channel Pyari Baate, and help me in my journey to inspire, ignite, transform, and change the lives of 1 billion people on this planet. Okay, so going ahead, guys, when I was small, I used to believe in hard work. I still do believe in hard work, but I also believe that, putting yourself all in and exhausting yourself completely and becoming sad, becoming desperate, becoming anxious, like I have been through all of those phases. So when I came into acting industry, I thought I'm going to work very hard because that is something which comes naturally to me. So I tried everything. I used to make like 5 to 6 auditions every day. I used to make every audition that would come to me. I used to go and meet people. I used to ask for work. I did everything in my capacity. And at the end of 4 years, I still haven't gotten where I was supposed to get, where I thought I should have got. So, why did that happen? Now, did I do anything less? No. I did everything in my capacity, honestly, or maybe beyond. And I'm not comparing myself with anyone else. हो सकता है बाकी लोगों ने मुझसे ज़्यादा मेहनत की हो, बट मैंने देखा है अपनी इंडस्ट्री में कि बाकी लोग जो और ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, वो भी कभी-कभी कहीं नहीं पहुँचते हैं, और कुछ लोग जो बिल्कुल कम मेहनत करते हैं, वो कहीं और पहुँच जाते हैं, दे आर स्टार्स. सो व्हाई दिस इज़ हैपनिंग? This is happening because it has a lot to do with our last birth ka, prarabdh and all the karmas that we have accumulated. So people who get things easily in life, or maybe they get fame or money or etc very easily, uh, I think they are more blessed because of the prarabdh they carry from their previous life. And we here, what I am doing is, I don't know, even I think I am also very blessed. And it's just the delay is a beautiful preparation. Maybe I am going to get a role that would suit me when I am in xyz age, and that's why I haven't gotten the break of my dreams. So I'm taking it positively, and I do believe that I am a good soul, and I have also done good karmas, and I have gotten this chance to start from zero and become a hero. So I respect the delays, but I have also understood that here in this game, a lot of it is out of my hands. So I am not going to exhaust myself anymore, because I have seen tough days, tough nights. I have survived all of them and decided that now I am going to take life the way it comes to me. आई एम गोना फ्लो. मैं बहना चाहती हूँ, मैं खुश रहना चाहती हूँ हर एक मोमेंट में. आई वॉन्ट टू सेलिब्रेट, आई वॉन्ट टू बी हैप्पी, आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स माई गोल्स. लाइक सपोज आई वॉन्ट to become a superstar. So I am gonna watch good movies. I am gonna meet people. I am gonna make great auditions. I'm gonna try things, but not in a desperate fashion कि रोज रोज करना है, अभी करना है, आज नहीं करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. No, I am going to be very choosy. I'm going to be very selective. I am going to give my energy to things I feel they deserve my energy. Only then I'm going to give my energy to them. I'm going to be relaxed. I'm going to spend time walking in the nature, enjoying music, meditating, dancing, cooking food, traveling, meeting my family, my friends. I want to live my life. So your goals should be such that your life is balanced. ऐसा नहीं कि आपका गोल्स के पीछे आप इतने बिजी हो गए कि आपकी बाकी की पूरी लाइफ, आपका हेल्थ, आपका रिलेशनशिप, सब कुछ खराब हो गया है. नो गाइस, doesn't work like that. So whenever you have a goal, and I do believe that you are ignited to achieve this goal, but I would still suggest be balanced, be relaxed, be a passionate action taker, which means कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप दिन में 12 घंटे उस चीज़ के पीछे लगे रहो. ज़रूरी ये है कि अगर आप 12 मिनट भी लगो, तो आप इतने पैशन, इतने प्यार से उस चीज के पीछे लगो that it makes a difference. And when you put this 12 minutes every day, it shouldn't stress you out, it shouldn't make you anxious, it should make you happy. This 12 minutes of your life is not going to come back, so it should feel worth it. So you should not put 12 hours for 1 month and then next month be like, oh god, I'm done, मैंने इतना मेहनत किया, god is not listening to me, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, this is not working out. Instead, put less time but put for longer duration and keep putting. जैसे कि एक प्लांट है, ठीक है, आपको उसको पानी रोज देना होगा, वो ग्रो करे या नहीं करे, उसमें फूल आए, पत्ते आए, नहीं आए, यू कैन नॉट गिव अप, you have to keep watering it, and one day definitely it will, become a big tree, but you have to be patient with it, right? You cannot be worried looking at the other plants कि यार उसमें तो फूल आ गए, इसमें फल आ गए, इसका कुछ नहीं हुआ. You have to be patient. So guys, instead of taking very violent, massive, both energetic actions, take consistent actions, relaxed actions, happy actions, passionate actions, motivated, inspired actions. Okay, take it easy because तुम्हारी किस्मत में है तो वो एनी हाउ तुमको मिलना है, ठीक है. दिस इज वन हैक दैट आई हैव क्रैक्ड. तो इस प्रोसेस में खुद को परेशान मत करो, खुद को खुश रखो, और जितना कर सकते हो उतना ही करो. भगवान जी उतना ही डिमांड कर रहे हैं. एंड डू नॉट स्ट्रेस अबाउट एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. ओके, रिलैक्स, ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ, ट्रस्ट गॉड्स टाइमिंग, गॉड्स प्लान, गॉड्स विल. सब अच्छा होगा, बट करते रहो, प्यार से करते रहो और लंबा टाइम तक करो. ओके, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and stay in touch with me. You can also follow me on my Instagram and do comment and let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, क्या आपको कुछ पर्सपेक्टिव में चेंज मिला, what kind of action taker are you, and yeah, share this with at least 5 people and help me in my mission. Read my book Divine Joy to unlock the doors of unlimited happiness.